Why don't... Good Hunter's signature dish.
You sure?
Finished ordering? Sit here.
Which should I choose?
Beautifully tender and cooked to perfection. No wonder it's their signature dish. It's a shame I can't have more, but a witch must...
Paimon.
Time is getting on. I suppose I should carry on with this gas. Let's have a little chat with Sarah about her...
Would you like to order something else?
No, thank you. We're quite satisfied. But I'm afraid I must...
The boar brisket? I'm sorry. I think we took that off the menu. She means the book. Oh, of course. I came straight to the restaurant after I borrowed it and completely forgot. I'm so sorry, Lisa. I will bring...
Okay then. But make sure you... Right. On... This is our fun...
Welcome. Couples are our specialty. Let me know what you'd like and I'll wrap...
Ah, yes. Now, which book was it that has the line, "A date without flowers is a date without romance"? Why...
Some flowers for Miss... Mist flowers. Over there in the corner. But don't touch them with your bare hands. You'll get... You want them? It's just the...
You sure?
Some flowers... Dandelions are one of our classics. I know what you're thinking. Come to think of it, Miss Flora herself gives people the same
You sure? Can't change...
Dandelions? They have a refreshing scent. Okay, time to get back...
Back to business?
Once again, we see a total lack of respect. The Pale Princess and the Six Pygmies.
Oh, yeah. Oh no. What am I gonna do? A while back, I realized it was almost due, and I was getting... But I couldn't find it anywhere. It's like somebody stole it.
Uh-oh.
I heard that. Well, if it really was stolen, Donna's done nothing wrong. The blame lies with the book thief, and their punishment will be 3. No, 10 times worse than...
Like Paimon said, totally
Oh, don't worry about that. As long as I remain librarian, not a single book will go missing I put a unique elemental marker on each book. Our thief will have left a nice set of...
When did Lisa start taking...
Hey, sweetie. I've heard your elemental sensitivity is very strong. Why not see what you can do?
Elemental sensitivity? Use your elemental sight to look for...
Take a look. There will definitely be something that...
Looking at the elemental traces, it does seem likely...
So Donna didn't do anything...
It's not from the restricted section, so it's hardly a book worth stealing. Whoever wanted this book so badly... The elemental traces are very faint, but I can tell that the thief took it beyond the city. You must see it too. Let's follow the... The elemental traces are strong here, but it seems our thief did not stay for long. The trail keeps going. Let's keep looking.
When stuck on a deserted island, rain is a precious source of drinking water.
It's further than I thought. Quite the intrepid explorer, our little thief.
Maybe we frighten the turtle back inside his shell.
It must be using elemental sight. Follow the flow of...
The thief lives inside ruins?
Please do not jump to such a preposterous conclusion about the living habits of Mondstadt. This seems far more likely to be the work of some none too friendly troublemakers. Stealing books. All they would use books for is to keep their campfire going. This is more likely to be the Abyss Order's doing. They do seem to have a way of slipping in and out of places. Also, there's an elemental seal at the entrance. It looks like...
A seal?
Not to worry. If you think a little magic can keep me out,
Why is that?
come on.
Whoa! So this is what Lisa's... It's so much bigger in here than Paimon thought. Do we really have to go all the way inside?
If you borrow a book, you have to return it. There will be no exceptions. Heep. Whoa. Heep. Hup. Heep. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Heep. Huh? Hup. Huh?
It's so much bigger in here than Paimon thought. Do we really have to go all the way inside?
If you borrow a book, you have to return it. There will be no exceptions. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. Yep. Hup. Huh. Heep. Heep. Yep. Heep. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. Yep.
To ashes!
Hey, look! It's an abyss maid! Lisa was spot on! Steady as stone.
How did you find this place? It's so...
I have no interest in finding out where you little rascals hide yourselves away. Tell me, how is it that you have the time to conceal your stronghold and apply a magic seal, but not to sign out a library book in the proper manner? You have no respect whatsoever for other people.
You just want... I was unaware that anyone in Mondstadt was concerned with unearthing the secret hidden inside this book. Who?
The librarian. Although I believe that should be quite clear. I'll return the book.
since you insist on concealing your identity, I have all the less reason to give. After all, it contains the secret. Huh? What are you doing?
Naughty boys who don't do what they're told need a little punishment to keep them in line. This is why we'll just need to find the book.
It's the Pale Princess and the Six Pygmies.
That's the one.
Other one.
Then again, and it does.
Yeah, it seems like just.
As far as since this book has piqued your interest, why don't I let you? There's no time limit for you. I will register you as custodian, rather. This is an exclusive privilege reserved for trusted.
Exclusive privilege?
Excuse me. Are you in? Good. My work here is done. Don't forget to register at the. You've returned.
Thank you, Miss Lee, but Paimon thinks we're forget. Look, over there on the shelf. And look how many copies.
The Teyvat Travel Guide is a serial publication. It is not part of the library's formal collection.
Oh,
Take one. Consider it with you, but
the Teyvat.
I hadn't anticipated that a few routine returns inquiries would take us out of the city, let alone down into some as compensation for dragging you into all this
Wow, Lisa.
In fact, they were intended for our next outing. But never mind. We can discuss next.